Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale an absolute beast. It's a Ducati Diavel. Look at it, finished off in the matte black, and we've got this brushed aluminium look with the black on there as well. Absolute stunner is this one. It is a 2017 on a 17 plate. Keyless on these as well, so just as long as you've got a key on you, you can give it a start up. Lovely. On this one, it has got the full Termignoni exhaust, £2,500 just there. And to be fair, with this being a 17 plate, you are saving thousands over a new one anyway. Into these, and this is a seat pod. You can actually get a rear passenger. Look at that designed into it. Anyway, just push down a little start button. You got the two displays. That has all your map details on there. And then the top, your miles per hour, rev counter. Give it a start up, or turn it off by accident. Hang on a sec, just want to get my hearing back. Wowee. Let's hope you love your neighbours. Anyway, guys, you've seen this absolute beast. Get yourselves down to Jordanbikes. Simply just give us a call. Cheers.